Hi everyone, welcome to Migrant Help Desk. Let me ask you something. What would you do if going back home meant risking your life? Not uncomfortable or difficult, I mean dangerous. That's the reality for people applying for international protection or asylum. And today, I'm not just explaining the process, I'm breaking it down in a way nobody tells you. The truth, the struggles, and what actually matters during the process. But before we start, a disclaimer. This channel is for general information sharing only, not a legal advice or meant to replace legal representation. Seeking safety is a human right. But the process can feel confusing, stressful, and overwhelming. In this video, I'll explain the international protection process in simple, clear language, step by step, so you understand what happens after an asylum claim is submitted, what your rights are, and what to expect generally across major EU countries. There will be further videos focused on the international protection process in countries such as Ireland, Italy, Germany, etc. Let's begin. What is international protection? International protection is support given to people who cannot return safely to their home country because they fear serious harm, persecution, torture, or threats to your life. There are two types of protection. Refugee status. For people with a well-founded fear of persecution, because of their race, religion, sexual orientation, nationality or ethnicity, political opinion, or being part of particular social group. Subsidiary protection. For people who may not meet refugee rules but still face serious harm like war, torture, or death penalty. If returning home puts your life at risk, this is where protection comes in. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Making your application. So you inform the authorities that you want to apply for international protection, and this usually happens at a border, airport, port, or immigration office. You will give your basic details, your name, nationality, and why you cannot return home. This is called preliminary interview. You have the right to apply, even if you don't have documents. You have the right to an interpreter if you need one. Step 2 is registration and fingerprints. Your fingerprints and photo are taken. This is normal and required in all EU countries. Your information is checked in the EU database to see if you applied before in another country. You will receive a temporary document showing that you are an international protection applicant. This document protects you from being deported while your case is being examined, and it gives you right to work, enroll further education training or courses. Step 3. The substantive interview. The substantive interview is the most important part of your application. You will meet an officer who will ask about your life, your journey, why you left your country, why you are afraid, you can't return to your country, and what would happen if you go back. This is your chance to explain your story clearly and honestly. You have the right to an interpreter, a lawyer if required, a support person, breaks if you feel unwell or emotional. Everything you say is confidential. Step 4. Decision. After your interview, the authorities will examine your case and review your declarations, then take a decision. A positive decision means you are granted a protection, so you can stay legally with a residence permit, work, study, and rebuild your life. A negative decision means your application is refused, which means your story wasn't deemed credible. You have the right to appeal within the time frame given. The appeal tribunal will take over the asylum claim and reviews it. Your rights during the process. While your application is being processed, you have rights. These may vary by country, but usually include accommodation, basic financial support, healthcare, school for children, access to legal advice. In many countries, the right to work after a certain period. You also have responsibilities. Follow the law, attend appointments, and keep your information updated. The international protection process can feel long, difficult, and stressful, but understanding it gives you power. Consistency matters, your truth matters, and you deserve safety, dignity, and clarity. Keep going no matter how long it takes. If you want more simple explanations about asylum, migration, and integration tips and life in Europe, subscribe to this channel. Share this video with someone who needs this information today. See you in the next video.